Thinking about opening a UFB Direct high-yield savings account in 2025? Let's go over what you need to know before you decide. First, UFB Direct is known for offering some of the highest APYs in the market, and in 2025, they've kept that reputation strong. If your goal is to maximize your savings growth, this account is a serious contender. Another benefit is no monthly maintenance fees and no minimum deposit requirement, which makes it accessible whether you're starting small or already have significant savings to park. You'll also appreciate the 24/7 account access through their online and mobile platforms. Their app is user-friendly, with handy features like balance tracking and easy transfers between accounts. However, it's not perfect. UFB Direct is an online-only bank, which means there are no physical branches. For those who prefer in-person service, this might be a drawback. Plus, some users report that customer service response times can vary, especially during peak periods. So, is UFB Direct high-yield savings worth it in 2025? If you're focused on high returns with minimal fees and you're comfortable with online banking, this could be a great option. Just make sure to weigh it against other top savings accounts to see if it fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. See you next one.